So, the use of metals began by the end of Neolithic period. The first metal that the human being used was copper. Then, the people of Metal Age learnt producing bronze by mixing tin and copper. So, what is bronze? Bronze is an alloy and it is harder than copper. Okay? So, let us learn about the copper and the bronze stone age. So, as the quantity of copper and bronze tools were very low, stone weapons were continued to be used along with them. Okay? Therefore, this period is called as Copper and Bronze Stone Age. This age began about 5,000 years ago. Agriculture and cattle rearing were the prime occupations. Designed pots manufactured by using wheels belong to this age. So, copper implements and jewelries have been found here. Bronze implements were helpful for deep cultivating of land and for the conservation of forest land into cultivated land. So, as a result, there was a rise in the production of food grains. So, after that, by transporting excess food grains to nearby places and needy places, the trade started here. Consequently, in the valley of river Sindhu and its tributary, a grand culture like Harappa civilization could arise. So, historians identify it as the first urbanization ever happened. In South India, the use of bronze was less when compared to the use of copper. The evidence of copper and the bronze stone age have been found in Haluru, Banahalli, Brahmagiri and other places in Karnataka.